Hey everyone, welcome back to WA Electronics. If you love electronics, DIY projects, and cool gadgets, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out something super interesting, the Zoyi ZT-701, a compact oscilloscope multimeter combo. Let's jump straight into the unboxing. First, let's have a look at the box. It's a simple, no-nonsense packaging with the model number and a picture printed on the box. Let's open the box and check what inside we have. The ZT-701 main device, compact and lightweight. A set of multimeter probes. A USB Type-C charging cable. A kickstand for hands-free operation. A carrying case for multimeter. A detailed user manual with pictures in English. Everything seems well packed and the accessories look decent for everyday use. Now focusing on the device itself. Compact and solidly built, with a rugged rubberized casing for extra protection. It features a 3.2-inch IPS color display, very bright with excellent viewing angles. Button-based control, no rotary selector here. Navigation is done through soft keys and function buttons. Clearly labeled input jacks for multimeter and oscilloscope probes. It's lightweight and handheld, easy to carry around or use at your workbench. Here's a quick feature overview for the ZT-701. 5 MHz oscilloscope bandwidth. 48 megasamples per second. Sampling rate much surprisingly fast for a portable unit. True RMS multimeter functionality, voltage, current, resistance, continuity, capacitance, frequency, diode, and temperature. Auto ranging, data hold, max-min recording, and relative measurement features. USB Type-C rechargeable battery. For a device this small and affordable, that's a lot packed into one. Let's power it up, a quick boot up, and we're greeted with a clean and simple UI. It boots into oscilloscope mode by default. Switching modes is done via the mode button. Menu navigation is intuitive with the buttons. No confusing rotary knobs to deal with. The IPS screen is a huge plus. Vivid colors and easy readability from any angle. Let's test some basic multimeter functions using the ZT-701 and check its accuracy. First, measuring AC voltage from this breaker. The multimeter reads 212 volts AC. Next, testing a new 9-volt battery. It shows 9.5 volts DC, which is spot on. Moving on to the diode test, the multimeter identifies the junction correctly with a forward voltage drop. Continuity test, the response is instant, with a loud and clear beeper. Now measuring a 10 kilo ohm resistor. The reading is 9.99 kilo ohms, perfectly accurate. And finally, testing a 25 microfarad capacitor. The ZT-701 reads 25.1 microfarads, very close to the actual value. Overall, the multimeter functions are reliable and precise. Impressive for a compact device. Now let's move to the oscilloscope mode. I've connected it to a 1 kHz square wave from my function generator. The waveform is clean and stable. Let's push it to 5 MHz. That's the device's maximum bandwidth. It handles the 5 MHz signal surprisingly well for a portable device. It's not a lab-grade oscilloscope, but it's excellent for troubleshooting and general electronics work. Let's break down the pros and cons of Zoyi ZT-701. Pros: bright 3.2-inch IPS screen. A pleasure to work with. Good oscilloscope performance up to 5 MHz. Fast 48 megasamples per second sampling rate. Better than many entry-level scopes. Accurate multimeter readings. Rechargeable via USB-C. Modern and convenient. Compact and rugged. Cons: 5 MHz bandwidth might be limiting for high-frequency RF work. Screen could be too small for heavy oscilloscope analysis. Button-based navigation could be slower for some, compared to rotary dials. Overall, the Zoyi ZT-701 is an awesome tool for makers, hobbyists, and even field technicians. If you need a portable, all-in-one device for quick signal checks and basic electronic troubleshooting, this is a fantastic option for the price. It's not meant to replace a benchtop 100 MHz oscilloscope, but it's perfect as a secondary tool or for working on the go. By the way, if you're interested in buying the Zoyi ZT-701, check out the link in the description for the best deals. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Got questions about the ZT-701 or want to see it compared against other budget oscilloscopes? Let me know down in the comments.